Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ashwini and I have a small crochet boutique called Knotty Collection. I've been crocheting toys for almost 2 years now, and one thing that I've heard a lot during my markets was, oh my god, your toys are so cute, but we don't have any small kids to give them to. And honestly, that got me thinking, like, crochet toys just don't belong for kids, right guys? So in today's video, I'm going to give you some fun crochet gift ideas for all age groups. So be it babies, teens, adults, or even grandparents. Whether you're making gifts or you're looking for inspiration, I hope this video gives you some fun ideas for handmade crochet toys that make people smile no matter their age group. So stay tuned. So let's start with the tiniest one, babies. So for babies, the best and safe toys are snugglers, I would say, because we want something that they can hold on to, which are safe for them. So I have some snugglers here, I'll just show you. So this is one. I got a book called Mama Made Minis, and they have amazing patterns and different characters, like different animals. This is a unicorn from that pattern. So I have made a hippo, cow, dinosaur, and I've sold all of them, and I have this one now. So isn't she cutest? So I have used Bernette blanket yarn, which is safe, soft, and good for babies. Also, they don't have any plastic eyes. I have embroidered the eyes on them, so this would be the perfect gift for babies. And if you don't have time to make such a big snuggler, you could also opt for a smaller version. So this was the free patterns online, so I'll link everything down below, so don't worry. So this is from Red Fox. I guess I'm very bad with names, but everything will be linked below. So this is one of my cutest patterns that I have made. This is a cow, and I have in this used a Bernette blanket as well. So basically, snugglers don't have any stuffing inside, so babies can hold on to them. They only have stuffing in the head, so that holds the shape. But isn't this cutest? I have one more option. So this is a duck. This is also a free pattern, and yeah, so you can do something like this for babies. So the next category would be toddlers, like ages 1 to 3. So I have a toddler, and he's almost 2.5 years old, and he's so curious, and something that would attract those kids, right? Like, they should be colorful, interactive, and yeah, so the best option would be stacking toys. So I have some free patterns, I'll link them down below, and I'll put some pictures here as well. So stacking toys is one of the good option. I had also seen a turtle with small babies inside, and like turtle babies, and they have some colors, so you have to coordinate them. So that is also a fun idea, but it takes very long. So that is something to look at. You could also make vegetables, fruits for them to pick and choose, like have a small basket with some crocheted fruits and vegetables. That also is very interesting for this age group. And you could also make stuffies. So for example, a bunny like with a small tail, because they are not too much into characters and they're quite small and they need something to snuggle at night. So this is one of a cute option. This is very quick to make, and yeah, so something like this would also work. That's for toddlers. So the next age group is like small kids from ages 4 to 8 years old. So these kids, they are very imaginative and creative, so you need something for them, like some characters, because now this age group, like, they see cartoons and they have their own kids TV shows, so they resemble a lot to the characters on the TV. So for example, you got a minion, so something like this, if they like to watch Minions, so you can make them this. I have seen kids who like bingos, so you could do something like a bingo character, and there are a lot of free patterns. I'll put everything down below, like I'll put at least 5 patterns for each category, so you can have a look. You could do Moana, if they are into Christmas and they are like waiting for the Christmas, and or you can make a small Santa Claus for them for Christmas. So this is also a good idea, like a small plushie for them. So yeah, something to look into. So the next category is teens. So when we get into teen years, we want something that would vibe with them. They want something stylish, they want them to hang it on their bag, or else they want something that they can keep on their study table. So you could do some nice charms like this goes on the backpack. So this is like a bag buddy. I have them in different colors, and this was one of the most popular items in my markets, in my last 2 or 3 markets, I guess. So yeah, you could do something like this because they are so freaking cute. Just look at them, and you know, they can match their vibe. Or you could do something like this. This was a great conversation starter at my markets. These are my booty chicks. So yeah, you could do something like this, so they can gift them to a friend or keep them at their study table. So this is something so cute. And yeah, so and also this section like is not like restricted. You can move this toys to any range, any categories, but I'm just giving you some ideas. So yeah, this is such a cute little ducky. And yeah, you could do something like this, or give them some keychains. So I have one, like if they like any animal, so this is a small octopus keychain. Or many teen girls, like they got lot of strawberries from me this year. So yeah, so this is also a hit if they like strawberries. So something like this, fun, creative, small. They don't want like a big plushie, but something they could hang around, you know, in their bags or something like that. So that's for teens. The next category is for young adults and adults. These people, this category are like crochet gifts could be like nostalgic, comforting, or creative for these people. So some could like anime, so you can make some nice Naruto small toys like in this size. So yeah, I'll put some patterns here. So you could make that, make collectibles if they are into that. Like my husband, he is a big fan of Naruto. I still have Naruto on my list, which I haven't gone through, but yeah, someday. So something like that, like nice collectible would be a fun idea. Other than that, you could also give them small like this, like a fun cute piece for their workplace. So if they're working from home or from office, this could remind them of you. So you could do something like that. Or if they have a cute cat, so make custom cats like this. So I had a customer who wanted to make a cat, like his own cat. So yeah, so this is his cat who never came to pick up, but yeah, someday he'll come and pick this up. It's waiting for you. And yeah, so if they have a black cat, you could give them something like this. So this is also a fun idea, like if they have pets or something. So that, or you could do some cute chickens if they have some like old memory, like you know, of chickens or some kind of animal. So you could give them that. So isn't it fun and cute? Though they can keep this in the house. It could be a decor piece or something on their desk. So yeah, something fun. So something like this. So this is like a broad range, so anything works. Depending upon what they like. Also, another thing that you can gift this category would be flowers. If they are into crochet flowers, this is one of the best gifts you could give them, because these are forever flowers and they'll always be in full bloom. So you could gift them something like this. So isn't this cutest? So it doesn't have to be plushy, it could be flowers as well. So my next category would be our senior citizens. So they want something which gives them warmth, comfort. So I would recommend to give them some weighted plushies. So this is not a weighted plushie, but just an example. Like, isn't this the cutest flower buddy? So this one, like, it sits and it has hands and feet, and this is called the lazy daisy, I guess. Yeah. So something like this but you know, weighted, so you could put I think there are some small pebbles or something you get, and you put them in a stocking and then stuff it inside, so something like that you could do. So yeah, so this is also a fun idea which they can just keep them on their bed or in the retirement home if they are there, so you could give them something like this, and it would also remind them about you, so whenever they have it, and it's nice, cushy. So yeah. So the next category, you must be like, what's next? Of course, our pets, you guys. So our dogs and cats. So they also have the separate category. I would recommend giving them toys that are safe for babies, because these are our babies as well, right? So you want something that you find safe for babies, like you could crochet just a ball or crochet 2-3 balls, and yeah, and put stuffing inside. My golden retriever loves to tear off and remove all the stuffing, so he's like mastered the skill. So you could have small balls, or I think I sold all of them. I had Mike, uh, the monster Mike. I'll put a picture here, I guess. Yeah, I sold all three. So you could do that. Like in my last market, one lady, she got the mic for her cat because it had dangly legs and all, you know, it would have been fun for the cat. So yeah, you could do something like that which doesn't have any plastic on them, so it should be like without plastic, all embroidered, and yeah, so no hard pieces, just yarn and stuffing. Works great for toys for kids and also for our small pets. So so these are my crochet ideas for all age groups, from kids to grandparents and also our beloved pets. So please do let me know in the comments down below which ideas you preferred or liked, and are you going to make any of these toys. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video for more crochet content. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.